So we have this here toy that created some questions today. Question is, why does it do that? Why does the colored bits go to the bottom and the clear stay on top?
Oh, you go.
And then what did we ask about, Zeky?
Nothing.
Is one's oil and one water, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and then which one do you think floats? Oil or water?
Oh.
Oil? You think?
Yeah, one
Here.
oil.
So we're going to make the water, we're going to make our water red. So draw the red where you think it's going to be. And I've got some coconut oil. Oh, I don't have anything to stir with.
Aaron?
Yeah?
No.
Huh?
The dye.
What about the dye? It's okay. It ain't going anywhere.
I don't want it on the table.
It'll be fine. So we've made our red water.
Made it all red water.
Uh-huh.
All red.
And then we've got some oil here. Oil in the cup. Now,
Pour it.
Where do you think the red's gonna be when we pour it in this cup? Now, kids watching this, draw a picture and record your predictions and then the results.
Put it on paper.
Yeah, let's draw another cup. This is, and then prediction, we're gonna write D-I-C-T-I-O-N.
Yeah, this cup.
Result.
Yeah, this cup.
Result.
Yeah.
See?
Open it.
So we've got 2 cups. Oh boy, you can't see that with prediction and result. It's all going to be in 1 cup. So what part of the cup do you think the red will be and the clear will be over here? So fill in what you think is going to be red on this side when we pour into the other one. Color in the cup.
Yeah.
Oh, is it all going to be mixed together?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Shall we try it?
Yeah.
Okay. Here. Do you want to stand on that? All right. Let's get the paper out of the way. So very gently pour the red water into the oil. No. There's not much room in this, so let's pour into here.
Pour a bit.
Pour a little bit of the red into there. Oh, wow, it makes all bubbly, kind of like this thing did, with all the bubbles. But look, Zeky, look at the edge. Look. See? The red went to the bottom, didn't it? So the red water went to the bottom.
We love it.
What does it smell like? Maybe a little like popcorn?
Yeah.
It's coconut oil. We didn't have any cooking oil.
It's hot.
Yeah, I had to microwave it. So here, let's draw our results. Here, should we draw what we learned? Where did the red go on our picture? Can you draw what happened here?
Yeah.
Can you draw that?
And put that on table.
Yeah, we put it on the table. Here, I need something to wipe that up with. Hey, how about a red towel?
What type?
What a joy. A red towel for the red water. There we go. Here. Can you draw what you see there? Can you draw what you see?
What's in towel? No, I don't yet.
No. Okay. All right. Well, that's a fun little experiment that you can do at home to demonstrate different densities of fluids. Because the heavy water is heavier than air, or it has a higher density than air, or not air, oil. So it went to the bottom. And it's kind of fun to watch all the bubbles and such. And settle out. Okay. That was fun. Bye. Can you say bye?
Bye.